Hi everyone, and today I am going to cover the next topic that is related to object oriented programming in the system design. And this is a very important part. Like if you are a fresher, if you are experienced people, many interview question ask on this one. I can say so. You have to be well versed, well known about this topic. So, a programming paradigm is like a fundamental style or approach to programming that encompasses of the set of principal method and practices for the designing and implementing the software. And it defines the way of programmer view the structure and execution of program. And different programming way of programmer view the structure and execution of a program. So, I can say it is a way of organizing the code, maintaining state and structuring algorithm. There are many way to look at types of programming paradigm. I can say object oriented versus functional or event driven programming or declarative or imperative. Next, the main concept we are having to discuss right now, I can say object oriented programming. First of all, we have to know what is the object oriented programming. So, it is a programming paradigm that revolve around the concepts of the object. Object represent the real world entity and encapsulate the data and behavior. So core principle of the OPS, I can say it is a four one: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. We have to be know like what is the encapsulation. So encapsulation is like building data and method that operate on the data within a single unit, that is an object, and it helps in hiding the internal state of an object and restricting the access to it. I can say real time scenario, if you are like using the, if you're a normal user and you are using the mobile phone, you are only knowing like what is the UI, what is the software you are using, but you don't know what is the hardware inside, what is the programming inside the hardware in the mobile. I can say it is like encapsulation. You have to be know what is the user want. It is hiding the complexity of this object. Second one, we have a inheritance, a mechanism that allow a class to be inherit property and behavior from another class. It will always trying to maintain a parent-child relationship. Like in real-time scenario also, like our parent has done something, we are utilizing right now. So similarly, in this coding concept also, parent property utilizing by the child property, a child one I can say, and it promotes the code reusability and establish a relationship between the classes. Next, I have a polymorphism, and the name suggests polymorphism more than one form. So on this, I can say we have a two bifurcation. I can say method overloading and method overriding in the polymorphism concept. And in this, I can say in the short, the ability of an object to take a multiple forms, and it allow object of different types to be treated as an object of a common type. Next, I have abstraction, simplifying the complex system by modeling classes based on the essential properties and behavior. And it focuses on the what an object does rather than how it does it. It will be like I can say you have to be order something in your restaurant and that is a very tasty, but you don't know the recipe about that food or about that item. But you know that will be tasting. I can say taste well. So similarly, concept here it doesn't know or doesn't provide as a external user or end user how we are making. It will only result oriented from the user perspective. Internally, what it is not showing. So this is a core principle of the OOPS concept. Hope you got the idea about this one. If you have anything, any question, I can try to give the best as soon as possible from my side. And I am thinking for this channel, if you just subscribe and like it, it will be motivate for me for making a next video regarding the system design, regarding this tech stack. I can say what I am learning from my experience, what I am facing in my current situation, current organization. So that will be also I can sharing in this video.